Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy leaps on Robinhood, a comprehensive guide that explains the topic step by step. Leaps are long-term equity anticipation securities, are a type of option contract that allows investors to bet on the future price of a stock. First, it is essential to understand the basics of options trading. An option is a contract that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a predetermined price. There are two types of options: calls and puts. A call option gives the buyer the right to buy a stock, while a put option gives the buyer the right to sell a stock. To buy leaps on Robinhood, you need to have a Robinhood account and be approved for options trading. If you are new to Robinhood, you can sign up for an account and apply for options trading approval. Once you have been approved, you can start buying leaps. To do this, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the stock you are interested in buying leaps for. Tap on the stock to go to its details page. Then tap on the Trade button. From the Trade button, select Buy and then select Options. This will take you to the Options trading page, where you can choose the type of option you want to buy, either a call or a put. Next, you need to choose the expiration date of the option. Leaps have expiration dates that are more than a year away, so you will need to select an expiration date that is at least a year from the current date. After selecting the expiration date, you need to choose the strike price. The strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell the stock if you exercise the option. Finally, you can enter the number of contracts you want to buy and review your order. It is essential to understand that each contract represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. So you will need to multiply the number of contracts by 100 to get the total number of shares. Before you place your order, make sure you have enough buying power in your account to cover the cost of the option. The cost of the option is also known as the premium, and it is the price you pay for the option contract. In conclusion, buying leaps on Robinhood is a straightforward process that requires some knowledge of options trading. By following these steps and understanding the basics of options trading, you can start buying leaps and taking advantage of the potential benefits they offer. Always remember to do your research, set clear goals, and manage your risk before making any investment decisions.